Hello everyone, this is my mulberry and we call it this shawtooth, and you can see it. I harvested some per week. I can harvest almost 1 kilo on this tree. This is a four-year-old mulberry, and you can see from this part I grafted, and it grows like this. It has some fruit in it, but I make this video for those people things, and some gardener things they don't need to prune mulberry, and mulberry don't need to pruning, and some of trees such as walnut and mulberry don't need pruning. But I'm telling you, all trees needs pruning during the winter, and you can see those branches is growing this year. I am gonna to cut off half the tree from the top during the winter, and you can see this is the result. Last year I cannot get a good fruit on this tree, but this year it has lots of fruit on it. You can see. I want to tell you something. This branch is a new. You can see it grows like this, and that cannot get a fruit. They need to be in second year that they can bring you second year fruit, because they are gonna to be like this. First year they grow like this, just one branch, and second year new branches appear on the past branch. You can see this one, it has a few branches. You can see this one too. You can see all these new branches will bring you fruit. This branch belongs to this. So for get more fruit on your fruit tree, pruning them during the winter, and you can get a good harvest. You will have a good harvest, and actually good sized fruit. You can see it has a good size. You can see all has a good size, and I don't use any fertilizer, just home fertilizer such as compost and sheep manure I'm using on my trees. Thanks for watching me, and happy gardening.